All right, morning, Dad. I came here along with Chef Kid. The man is one of the renowned chef that works to town, and then he is my friend and brother. Also, I brought him here, so since they know about the stove, the washing machine, the other stuff, so I brought him here. So he is preparing, I don't know what is this.
I'm making chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich, okay, according to him. This is the chicken sandwich. So he came, we put the stove on, we just try it, and then that is what he is doing. You can see the this is the vegetables. Cabbage, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Recommend whatsoever. So the guy has been working since I didn't know him. Time memorial. He's one of the best chefs that work in one of the best restaurants and hotel around town. So I brought him here specifically to see how best he can try all these things here. So today we started with the stove so that everything can work. Then he has set up this place, the microwave also. We try it, and then everything is working. And then from here now we're also going to see how best we can fuel the machine to put the washing machine, to try the washing machine and everything. Though Mr. Gregory is supposed to be here this week for him to do the connection of this dishwasher, so we can try it also. He has the idea on it also. The man told me that he had idea, so just that the connection has not been done properly, so we can venture around it until the papa can come and do the connection. So here he is. He's facing this food. Okay. So we are all washing Chef K in Manuel Kakula. So
No plate here.
no, we are opening the plate. Our plate. So
Okay. Then you do it.
so there you go. So everything here was prepared on the stove, electrical stove, the electric stove. Kitchen, this, and then we use this part to do our preparations. You know, and here he goes. Okay.
The dishes, apps. Can be replacing.
Both dishes. So the microwave, you see that no breaking bowl here to put it in the microwave. So and we can use the how do you call it? It's something right there. So we're just trying something here today. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. Nah, busy with what? Okay. Okay, so.
That's why you wanted discussing one, but you say this no need.